famous Saloni Gaur, also known as Nazma Api. Welcome, Saloni. You feel strongly about issues, and of course, you've got your Miss Funny Bones also. Let's see what you have in store today for this situation. Very awkward one at that. We also have Debjani Bhattacharya, member of the BJP, PKD Nambiar, political analyst who supports the BJP, and Ankit Makhija. Is he also trying to appropriate a Hindu festival or a Hindu custom?
Let me ask you, Sanket, why only Hindu festivals? Whenever there is, if you really look at from the last couple of years, how the things are turning out. During the Diwali, padaka nahi jalana hai. Holi ke time pe rang करने से आपका शहद का खराब हो सकता है. There can be even an allergy issue. Series of problems, if you really look at it one after another. Every time Hindu gods and goddesses are being a part of a mockery. The overall Hindu mythology is being treated more of like a comic versions. Anybody at any point of time can get up and start making a mockery of the Hindu belief system, god and goddesses. The name of Deepavali, which we all know, Diwali or Deepavali, which we all have been heard of ever since we all know each other. It may have a history of maybe 5,000 or 10,000 years. We don't even know. If I start calling Sanket now in Malayalam में Sanket का meaning क्या है? सोचकर मैं I am a Malayali, so I will start calling you not by Sanket, by something else. I think this is a clear cut of propaganda.
What do they call me in Malayalam? I'm really curious. I wouldn't mind, Mr. Nambiar. I really wouldn't.
No,
I really wouldn't
that
mind.
Is perfectly fine. But then I may not be able to explain you that right now. But then the bottom line is simple. That
the bottom line is this. I have heard you right now, Mr. Nambiar. It appears to me as if Mr. Nambiar is going on and on a rant. This is just your question.
I want Sanket to give me an example of another religion is being treated like this,
no,
even in an advertisement. Why don't you tell me one example of an advertisement which has been published in the last 30 years about another religion, something like this? You will not. Brands have nothing. I am a brand and marketing agency for several years, a decently successful one. The brands have nothing to do with pluralism. They are a commercial organization. They can do their business, they are there to sell their product. There are thousands
absolutely.
And thousands of ways
so
to
around
do it.
Diwali time, everybody sells
soft
products.
Target. Hinduism and Hindus are soft targets. Sanket, you accept it or
target.
not,
I think
you can put so many adjectives to it. That
and
the truth is that
able to explain logically why you feel this way. You just have this angst, कुछ बुरा हो रहा है हमारे साथ. I don't know what बुरा हो रहा है.
इसमें कोई doubt नहीं है.
Just because Fab India said जश्न रिवाज बुरा हो रहा है.
I can give you hundreds of examples one by one how this.
Okay, I'll come back to you. This Pataka thing comes year after year, and I'm aware of it.
Why only Pataka? There are so
but
many
the point
other festivals.
Is,
why you
tell me, pollution is very.
को आप एक काम करो ना, संस्कृत में बुलाना शुरू करते. संस्कृत में क्रिसमस का नाम आप संस्कृत में.
हाँ तो आप बुलाइए ना. In India, it's called बड़ा दिन.
मैं नहीं बोलूँगा, आप बताइए ना.
Indians call it बड़ा दिन.
आप बताओ ना, मोहम्मद नबी को आप एक काम करो और कुछ नाम करके बताइए और किसी चीज को किसी नाम से बताइए.
Who's stopping?
When we say this, you call ourselves as a fundamentalist. The people who don't understand
angst.
They are all like
Mr. Nambiar, this will qualify as your angst.
But that is not the truth.
It will not qualify as fact. It will qualify as Mr. Nambiar's angst. कि मैं गुस्सा हूँ, मैं रूठ गया हूँ, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. That's all.
No, actually, it is a truth.
It does not qualify or quantify into anything else.
Being,
Debjani wants to come
on your own channel, आप दिखाते हुए, then you ask me a question, Mr. Nambiar. I also saw the entire series. I could not see the Trishul. मैंने बोला the series was starting with the Trishul. Why Trishul?
Mr. Nambiar, if there is a problem, I am not saying that everything is a fuss.
I will be happy.
Debjani, I want to come to you now. One more, Mr. Nambiar. You've got a lot of uninterrupted time. Now time for others. Debjani, my question is, one moment, shut down during Diwali. One moment. Yes.
Excuse me, what is the requirement?
Globally, Christmas is a huge, there is huge commerce around Christmas. Why can't they use
the word Deepavali? Sanket, I have an objection what you are saying today. Why can't they use the word Deepavali? Deepavali is Deepavali. You go to, in north of India, if you call it Diwali, in south of India, we call it Deepavali.
Yeah,
so why not Deepavali? Deepavali, why should you, are you calling me by Nambiar? I am calling you by Sanket. That's it. There is a name which has been, we don't even know when it has come in. It is there from the last 5 years, 1,000 years, 2,000 years.
You
we
know,
don't even know.
by
only
extension,
talking about
I
why
feel that very
there
soon
is a
Mr.
name
Nambiar will
change.
say, why are you saying India? Say Bharat. Don't say anything else. You know,
I think
there has to
that
be
you're
logic in
taking
what
it
you're
too
saying,
far.
Mr. Nambiar.
I am only saying that.
Logic,
I'm
please.
only saying. Sanket, we can go on and on that. Only thing is that there is no business by a commercial organization to get
I'm just saying that right now, you know,
preach
Saloni,
secularism,
do you feel that politicians as well as people have become very sentient?
The Hindus in this universe.
Exactly.
I don't know what himmat and all, because Mr. Nambiar, I don't make kurtas, I don't sell them.
I'm telling you.
Okay, I'm not a
because I
brand.
don't use it. Same comic should be applied to another religious god.
Okay.
Tell me if you have, if you can, then I will go by whatever you say.
Okay, one moment
Otherwise,
before we
I'm sorry,
proceed.
it should be
Yes,
applied
before we
to
proceed,
all.
quick
Because
quick
it's
comments
one
on
of
the
the
Coup
finest
app.
brand in
I'm going to
Indian
end with
brand.
Saloni,
And
but
Savindia, for
quick
your
comments on the
information,
Coup
not
app.
in India,
Where
it's pure only just in India. It is there across the world.
also,
It
this
has
is
gone
not
in
a. I mean,
Africa,
we are
US,
not in the
everywhere.
business of
It's a fine brand.
PR publicity for Fab
it's
India,
owned by
as Nazma Api said,
but he
Saloni
loves
said,
India, you know that.
extremely overpriced.
Exactly. Also,
Yes.
there is this.
So
video,
that's the
I
criticism
would
for you,
call it
Fab
it's
India. You
worth
must
it.
know
It's
this is
worth
not a
it. So
PR
I'm not
platform
against
for you.
Fab India.
Just in case
The
you
only
think
thing is that
NDTV is doing
the
you some
people who
great
may have
favor. No.
guided them, or the people or the hem of affairs who have approved this advertisement is
Okay.
completely dead
Okay,
bad.
thank you
And
very
there
much.
is
I've run out of
definitely there is
time.
no doubt,
I have to
Sanket,
start my second discussion also. Thank you very much, all of you all. Let's now move